So guys, today we're gonna play the poison candy game. So I'm gonna go first. He must look away and close his eyes. So he must look away, come here, and he must close his eyes. And I pick, then I say when I'm done, then he turn, then I close my eyes. Okay. Come, I'll show you guys. Okay, I'm done. Are you done?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Clear. Niet daar,
Safe.
Okay, you go. Now put it in your mouth. So it is that your one.
Clear.
Is your poison candy? Oh.
Misschien moet het clear. Als je sensor.
You swallow it. Oh.
Am I safe?
Ja, dat is wel breed. Ik kan ook een klauw is nog goed.
Go. Safe. Go.
We just put in sweet and
Am I safe? Am I safe?
Yes.
Okay, go.
Mano, hoe gaat die kar binne kry?
Wees je hard.
You must put it in your mouth. I suppose you must poison. This is a poison candy, yeah? Put it in your mouth. Oh. I see some poison one.
Dat is maar net daar.
Wow.
De groene kant.